can you name all the laws that are related to spirituality?
There is one overarching law, which is the general law of reality, and that is love your friend as yourself. Every other law cascades from that one. Now, if you think about love your friend as yourself, and you take it out of the sort of kindergarten perspective that we give this, it is a command, a law that says to change perception from separation into not only the acknowledgement, but the attainment that this is one holistic creature. Every aspect of what we see is the self. There is no self. This relationship, incorporating all of these pieces like cells in a single body, all making up a single life, and that life in relation to a single source. Love your friend as yourself is the acknowledgement that others exist within the heart, and all of it is the self, making it not a self at all, but a single, unified life, and to live that way out of direct experience of that as being so. Every other thing that is said or that you could call a law only leads a person from wherever they are and however concealed this truth may be to them, to eventually, these are paths that lead a person, a soul, to that perception of a single soul against a single creator. One force against the in adhesion with each other. Love your friend as yourself is the spiritual law